Megan here with WTI, and I just had the best night's sleep thanks to this headphone headband by LC-dolida. This headband allows me to sleep comfortably. I no longer have to feel uncomfortable with earbuds sticking in my ear or worry about them falling out in the middle of the night. Even though I have a smaller head, this headband fits perfectly on. I have also used these for walking my dog and for jogging. I kind of love that they're headbands because in the colder weather, it blocks my ears from the wind while still allowing me the ability to enjoy music on my walk or my jog. The headphones slide into a longer sewed-in pocket, which makes them adjustable. You can kind of slide it back and forth. That way, no matter the size of your head or where your ears are positioned, you can kind of slide these headphones so that they do fall right over your ear, which makes for better sound quality. I find that a full charge lasts me a couple of nights sleep, and then I have to recharge them again. The sound quality on these earphones are honestly great, and I love how comfortable this headband is, and I really think you're gonna like it too. And that's my point of view.